What up, YouTube? It's your boy SB Mitch coming at you with another fire video. Today I'm gonna take you inside the life of a professional reseller.
My mom drives me everywhere.
As me and the fam, Caleb and Preston, take turns watching the card aisle at Target, waiting for Pokemon cards to restock so we can cop.
For 5 whole hours.
Cause the
grind don't stop.
Make sure y'all go down below and smash that subscribe button, cause I'm gonna be doing daily giveaways all month long. Because getting new subscribers from giveaways is a lot easier than trying to create content that people enjoy and can relate to. No cap. Yellow. I find it funny, but I'm the only one, so. Hey, how's it going? Cool. Hey, thanks for tuning in to this channel and video, because it's basically the same thing every single Friday. Whatever, it's cool. Hi, I'm SB Mitch. What am I doing right now? Good Lord. Social media stuff, and subscribe if you want, or don't. That's cool too. Hello, pals. Hey, it's Beater Box Friday, so we're opening a Beater Box from Sole Supremacy, because I'm only getting Sole Supremacy boxes because I like making money off of them. Yeah, I could get other places, but I just don't want to, because I like getting a consistent stream of money, but that's just me, I guess, because Lord knows I don't make enough off of these videos because I'm extremely annoying, as you'll find out or have known for a while. This box is, hold on, $900 plus $50 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois for a grand total of $950. Wait, there we go, that's close enough. Hey, that's clearance, it's a counter. I'm not gonna get into it because you know what a counter does. And at the end of the video, we're gonna break it down to show you how much I paid versus how much the box is worth on the secondary market. So let's open the box and see what's going on in here. Guess I'll have some coffee while I'm here. Wow, there's a good amount of loose shoes in here. That's kind of a bummer. So let's get into them right now. This first shoe out is some kind of Kyrie model. I'm not sure because I don't know Kyrie Irving shoes very well. But it is a size 10.5. It's a worn pair. It's whatever colorway this is. I don't even know what model this is. Maybe it's a Kyrie 4? I don't know. Unless Kyrie Irving's out of the Cavs, I really don't care what he does. I mean, it's simple, cool kind of colorway. It's got this weird Illuminati thing on the back. As you guys know, Kyrie Irving is eccentric. We'll put it that way. Very good point guard. He's an eccentric guy, but it's a 10.5. Apparently very good basketball shoe. Kyrie Irving, whatever model number it is. I actually do know stuff about shoes, just not all shoes. If you're interested in buying those shoes, or any of the other shoes in this box, hit up my website today at 6:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that website is sbmitch.com. This is a good one. This is a classic Air Jordan 5 in a size men's 12. This is the 2016, right? Got a 2016 release. The Air Jordan 5 OG metallic. These have some discoloration on the cage, on the tongue. Outsoles are a little bit worn, just a little bit discolored. Want to see the... This is probably the most annoying thing in the world that anyone can do. Putting tape over the Nike Air or the Jumpman on your shoes is probably the stupidest thing. Whatever. I understand why people do it. I just think it's real dumb. But this is a classic shoe. These go for a good amount, and this is a really good a really good size in 5s. There you go, size 12. Metallic 5s. Very good get. No box though. That's kind of a bummer. Last loose pair in here. This is a size 11.5. This is a pretty recent release. It's collaboration with Undefeated on a Dunk High. Not a Dunk High SB, just a regular Dunk High. So it does not have like Zoom Air or anything in it. I mean, it's got Nike on the side paneling. Medial side is fine, but these are actually in really good shape. It's got a big Just Do It patch on the tongue. Gray laces. There's a tiny bit of heel drag, a little bit of outsole wear, not too bad. You can see the Undefeated branding on the insole. I haven't seen these in a while. These are okay, I guess. I'm not a huge fan of them, but no box, 11.5. Nike Dunk High Undefeated collaboration. There's a lot of Nike sportswear boxes in here, and a KD. What's going on here? And Yeezy slides. Are you kidding me? Ugh. That's why I don't like these expensive boxes. Size 13, Nike Air Max 90 Essential. We got a dead stock pair of the Watermelon Air Max 90. It's a really subtle colorway. Very nice. You can see a lot of like pastelish kind of colors. Air Max 90s are celebrating their 30th anniversary, right? Yeah, 30th anniversary this year. So there's been a lot of retros. The infrareds are releasing soon or have released. I don't remember what's going on with those, but this is a really nice colorway. Size 13 is a pretty good size for a Nike Air Max 90, especially trainers. Like bigger sizes are always good. So dead stock pair, can't complain. Air Max 90 Watermelon, very cool. Another Nike sportswear box. Size 10.5, Air Max 97 OG Quick Strike. Another size 10.5 of a pair I already have. These are in a little bit better condition. Pretty good amount of tread loss, but it's the metallic gold Air Max 97. This is released alongside the metallic silver retro. This one didn't do as well. A lot of 3M material on here. I just don't like Air Max 97s. I think they look weird on foot, but pretty good pair. I mean, you can see the swoosh is still in there, but there's a really good amount of tread loss, especially on the forefoot right there. These are in okay shape. They have the original box, so that's cool. 10.5 Air Max 97 metallic gold. Got a size 10.5 Air Max 95 work in progress. This is the Carhartt collaboration. These are worn, but I mean, it's like a camo black with a white outsole and infrared air units. Air Max 95 and a 10.5. Pretty good size. You can see the outsoles are in okay shape. Doesn't look like there's much nipple loss, which is good. Not much scratching on the midfoot area thing. These are okay. I'm not a huge fan of 95s either. I'm mainly an Air Max 1 guy. That's basically, I like Air Max, just only Air Max 1s. But there you go, 10.5, 95 Carhartts. Ha! It's a size 13 Zoom KD 10. Got a pair of the Oreo, I think, or it's just like a core white and black type colorway. Very lightly worn. These were used for basketball, I think, because it looks like there's just some insole wear, but it's nice enough colorway. Outsole is kind of goofy. Doesn't look like there's much like wear or like dirt or anything. These are in good shape. I just don't think these are worth a lot of money, especially in a size 13. Well, maybe in a size 13. I don't know. This box is confusing. But this is an okay shoe. Another good basketball shoe, supposedly. But there you go. Zoom KD 10 in a size 13. Probably like just Oreo or white-black colorway. Two more. Size 12 Yeezy Slide. I've never seen these in person. I've seen them on the internet. And I don't really have much nice things to say about them. So it's not a Yeezy Slide. It's a 700. This is a size 11.5. I think these are like magnet or something like that. I think these were like super limited, but these have some wear. There's a little bit of scratching going on here on the midsole. I mean, it's a 700. This is one of the cooler models that Yeezy has put out, but we'll see what a cleaning does for them. But these are okay. I didn't understand why they're in a slide box, so I'm glad they're not slides. That's good. Size 11.5, Yeezy 700. I want to say these are called magnet, but I might be wrong. Shout out Juggalos. There's one more pair in here. It's a Jordan box. Let's see what's in here though. Got an Air Jordan 2 Retro Quai 54. That's exactly what it is. Size 9. Quai 54 Jordan 2. A lot of nice like premium aspects to this. Like the wings logo on the tongue is gold. There's gold on the ankle. There's gold eyelets. So, I mean, it's a premium-ish kind of feel. I just remember getting a bunch of grade school sizes in these and just couldn't even give them away. But these are worn. You see a lot of outsole wear. The outsoles are like kind of transparent, translucent, whatever you call it. Yeah, these just need a pretty solid cleanup. So there's your last shoe, a size 9. Quai 54 Jordan 2. Huh. This box is confusing. I don't really know why it's $900. I think it's just consistent value throughout. Those dunks might be worth something because dunks are super hyped right now. I don't really know. Take a look at the numbers and let me know what you think. This is why I stay away from the $900 plus boxes, because they're just confusing. I don't really know how they value certain pairs. And again, I don't look this stuff up until afterwards. This might actually be a really good box. Just on first impression, in my opinion, I don't know if it's good. It might be bad. I don't really know. Anyways, if you're interested in purchasing any of those shoes, hit up my website today at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That website is sbmitch.com. They will be on there unless they sell on GOAT first. Hey, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I hope you have a really good weekend. We will see you on Monday for recap series, whatever number it is. I don't really know. But until then, take care of each other. And remember, keep sneakers fun because they're supposed to be fun. Bye.